Okay, we're going to do Audcad and Usdcad just quickly because we did take a trade on Audcad which aligned pro trend. I'll just show you why we took it and how it's come about. So we've got the monthly chart. It's all bullish. We've got a bullish structure. Bullish is chock bullish here. Broken the structure, bullish there. We've just pulled back into some sort of range there, which I'll go through on a lower time frame. So that's your monthly structure. So monthly is definitely bullish. We've got a bearish candle back. We can go down to the weekly chart, and we can see there we've got bullish order flow. The last order block that broke the highs right in here. We've also chocked. So what was happening? So we didn't take any trades until this chocked bullish. So on the weekly, we've got the bullish order flow right there. So the bullish candle is chocked bullish on the weekly as well, which is the first rule. Then we drop back onto the daily. We can see it chocked. It broke structure on the daily there. Yesterday, I think it was. Was it yesterday? No, the other day. Broke structure there. I wasn't sure if that's actually going to go. It pulled back. It broke structure a second time again, and that was the last call for me. And then I was just looking for an entry. And what happened was yesterday, even after we pulled back and all these lows got manipulated, what I wanted to see was this last 4-hour candle. When that broke and that failed yesterday during the news, after it pulled back, we took a trade from here, and I'm writing it up. Now this is pro trend, so that means our weekly, our monthly, our weekly, our daily, and now our 4-hour is confirmed bullish. So we have to take it. So according to the rules, even though it might have been just a liquidity grab, I don't know, but based on the rules, I had to take it. So once this pulled back into here this morning at Asia session, we got in, so I'm writing it up. How far is it going to go? We don't know, but all we can do is write it. With our next targets are usually our weekly and our daily highs, or our structure highs. So we'll be targeting these areas to begin with, and then if it wants to keep going up there, we'll see how it plays out and see if we can get some extra entries. But that's Audcad and why we took it. Now, in saying that as well, a lot of the CAD pairs have been shooting off, so that's a lot of confluence and a lot of confidence that a lot of the other CAD pairs that haven't taken off just yet are likely to follow. So that's how I use correlation to some extent, co-integrated pairs which have a common denominator. So eventually the weaker pairs will also turn around and follow suit. Now with the USDCAD as well, that's the other one I'm looking at. Now that's been a bit of a wishy-washy one. It's been given us signals to go in and taking us out, but it's also given us another signal the day before, so we've got all the structures that are all aligning, so everything's bullish. Even our daily, did our daily chock bullish? Well, you could almost say it did, but I'm also hesitant because it can drop a little bit further into this area here. So I've been reluctant to take this on, and I still am to some extent because it hasn't completely given me confidence that it's going to take off just yet. But given that all the pairs have been moving and is just chocked 4-hour bullish the other day, which was here, and now it's dropped back down into this zone here. However, what I'm suspicious of is whether this is going to be an AMD type, which is an accumulation manipulation. So this is what I've been looking at. So the reason why I was hesitant, because I feel like right in here it's come to mitigate this and drop it. Now in saying that, on the flip side of that, I feel like this zone here is an accumulation manipulated down, and it's coming back down to mitigate. Now Has it quite completely mitigated? I don't know. Has it done the same thing right here? So it's another accumulation in here, driven it up, dumped it down, broken structure, come back to mitigate, and it's gonna, I'm waiting for it to just come underneath here and see if it's gonna give me some sort of cheap type of entry inside here to take it north. Otherwise it could come down a little bit lower, but this is what I'm looking at here. So I think there's a lot of manipulation happening right here, and I can see a lot of little mini AMDs forming inside here, and I'm waiting for this one more to just finish it. So it's mitigated here. It needs to break this wick down. For me, I feel like it needs to break that wick to finish that move, and then it might be a very cheap or low risk entry right inside there if it wants to give us a reversal, a little pattern, and then we'll take it long and let it follow all the rest. Hopefully by that stage, I'm suspecting that a lot of the USD pairs are going to start pulling back once this starts moving up, because every time this moves up, all the USD pairs pull back. So the USD pairs are a little bit more to go higher, and then I think this would be a nice move up, even if it drops a little bit further. But I think here it needs to finish this move. So that's that's my views and some of the stuff that I'm looking at the moment, because I want to take this long and see where that goes. Yeah, I think on the weekly, on the daily, I want to target this here at least as a potential trade. So yeah, hopefully that helps. But that's the other trades that we're looking at the moment.